Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review RobinReach. So RobinReach is a social media tool that lets you create, schedule and manage all of your social media accounts. It could be your own personal accounts or your business accounts or also the accounts of your clients. So the best part is no matter how many accounts you have got and no matter what kind of account this is, you can manage that. You can automatically post on those platforms super easily from RobinReach. It has integrations for almost all the top social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and even the new ones like the 𝗗𝗃𝘀𝗀𝗀 and also the rare ones like X or Twitter. So in case you didn't know, the API pricing of X or Twitter is super expensive, but RobinReach has that integration on its platform. So you can connect all of those platforms on here, and once you do that, RobinReach has AI. It can generate various posts, written post or text post, but other than that it can also generate various images that you can use on your social media. But if you do not want to use that, you can obviously use your own manual post or you can use your own custom image. And it also has some more features such as the content calendar, content repurposing and so many others. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. And keep in mind, the price is going to increase in 4 days. So this price is going to increase in 4 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So on top you can see all of the tiers. So the tier 1 is going to cost $59, and as for tier 2 it is going to cost $129 and $299 for the tier 3. So on tier 1 you can only have 1 member and 5 members on tier 2 and unlimited members on tier 3. So this is going to give you a lot of members. You can add a lot of team members on your account on tier 3. And as for social profiles, you can add 7 different social profiles or 7 profiles overall, and on tier 2 you can add 20 and tier 3 you can add 100 social profiles. On tier 1 you are not going to get access to the Twitter integration, so keep that in mind, but you are going to get that on tier 2 and tier 3. And then you can also see some other limits such as the media library, monthly AI text content, monthly AI images, engaging conversations per month, RSS feed integrations, analytics, content repurposing. And then there is also another feature that is not available on tier 1, which is important, the bulk upload from CSV. So if you want to upload a lot of posts at once, you can also do that, but that is not available on tier 1. You can only get that on tier 2 and tier 3. And then you can also create unlimited posts. You have creative tool integration and also social channels available. So if you want to buy RobinReach on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how RobinReach is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here is the roadmap of RobinReach, and on the left side you can see all of the features that are currently in planned. So content idea generator, Snapchat integration, internal image editor, base time to post, advanced automation and unified social inbox. So this is a super important feature. You can get all of your messages in one place on RobinReach. So this is currently in planned section, and also analytics dashboard. And then there are some features that are currently in development, which means they are going to be available soon, such as the brand-based social profile, approval workflow, support WooCommerce, optimize Robin clip, and also some more features. Now let me show you how RobinReach is going to work. So after you log into RobinReach, you are going to get a dashboard just like this one, and here we can connect our social accounts, and these are almost all the social platforms that are available with RobinReach. So you can see here is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and also there are some upcoming integrations such as Google Business, Instagram personal profile. So the one that is available, it is business profile, not personal, but personal profile, this integration is also upcoming, and also Telegram. So in order to use this platform, I have to connect my account so that I can show you all the features better. So let me connect this 𝗗𝗃𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Okay, so I have to provide the username as well as the app password. So here is the handle or the username, and I have also provided the app password. So you can get the app password on the privacy and security. So there you can generate an app password and then you can provide that on here. So now all I have to do is just click on connect account. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, we have connected our 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀 account. This is the profile picture that I have on my account, and I can also see some analytics such as total post that I have posted on this platform. I can also see since when this account was connected. And keep in mind that all of the profiles that you connect, it could be Facebook or Instagram or something else, all of them are going to appear on this platform. And for example, if you want to separate them by each social platform, you can also do that. For example, I only want to see all the profiles that I have connected on Facebook. For example, I have connected 3 profiles. So if I go to this Facebook, all of those 3 profiles are going to appear on here. And now if I select just 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀, as you can see, only my 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀 account is going to show up. So now I can start using RobinReach. So for example, first of all, I want to create a post. For that, I can simply click on this create post on the right side. And as you can see, the fields have opened. So now I can provide all the details of the post, such as the caption. I can add various media. So here I can provide the caption. And for example, if I want to optimize my caption, I can also do that. Let me provide a caption on here first. So for example, this is going to be the caption. I can also use various emojis. So let me use this one. And then if I want, I can even optimize this caption further with AI. So all I have to do is just click on AI optimize. So as you can see, the AI has properly optimized this caption. So it was very generic, just one line caption, but now it has been optimized with better words, with emojis as well as hashtags for social media. And the best part is on the right side, I can see the preview, and all the way to the right side, I can even see the profiles that I have. So if I want to post this to multiple profiles at once, for example, I have this 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀 connected, but if I had some more profiles, for example, it could be Facebook. So that Facebook account was also going to appear on here. So I can select 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀 as well as Facebook, and then I can post on multiple platforms at once. And if I close this one, so now I can see the exact preview for 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀 on here. And I can also open the media toolkit for images. So on the media toolkit, I can access my library, media library, where I have all the images stored on RobinReach. I can also design with Canva. I can even generate image carousels. I can also search and add various GIFs to my post. And I can also open the Unsplash in order to add stock photos to my post. So I'm not going to do that. I just want to upload one image from my computer. So let me open this. So here's one image that I have uploaded. I want to share this with this caption. And then I can also open this 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 website card options in order to add website, the name as well as the description. I can also select the time. It could be based on UTC or something else. I'm going to keep it UTC. And now I can draft it, which means I can just save it so that I can post it later. I can schedule it on a particular time. So I can select the date as well as the exact time from here, or I can also publish it now. So for example, I want to publish it now. So all I have to do is just click on confirm. So as you can see, now it is saying my post has been processed as well as published. And now we are in this content calendar section. So if you are familiar with it, what it does is show you all of your content based on the time and date. So if you schedule a content, you're going to see that on this calendar. If you have published a content on a certain time, you can also see the time and date. So this is how the content calendar is going to work. So now let me go to my 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 account and let's see if the post has been published. So as you can see on my 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 account, I have got the post. So here is the post, the picture that I used as well as the caption on top. So this is how you can super easily share post from RobinReach to 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 or any other platforms. So after this content calendar, we also have multiple other features on RobinReach. On this left side, you can see them. So let me open this 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀. So here you can see all of the AI features of Robin. So these are some of the templates. These are some of the templates that you can use in order to generate your post with the AI. But you can also even chat with the 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀. So if I click on this, so as you can see, the conversation has started. It is very similar to ChatGPT if you have used that. For example, I want to write a post. I want to write a post on productivity. So now all I have to do is just click on send. And let's see what we get from the 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 AI. So as you can see, we have got the answer. We have got the post about productivity from 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. And obviously we can modify it. We can enhance it, shorten it, or make it longer by asking the AI. So for example, I want a post with points. So now let me send this query. So just see how fast it is. We have now got a productivity post based on these 5 points. So this is how we can super easily chat with the 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 AI in order to get what we want, just like how we ask various questions to ChatGPT. And we can also use these common prompts or the pre-made prompts that are already given here. So now let me go back to this 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀. So other than this chat with 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀, there are also multiple templates that I already showed you. So you can create a social media post with notes. For example, if you have created notes, multiple notes, you can also use those notes in order to create a post. You can also create a post from a link. So let me try this one, post from a link. So as you can see, I have opened a blog post. For example, I want to copy the link of this blog post and I want to create a post, social post from this. So let me copy the link. And then I want to open this template, and now I have to select some settings such as exactly for which social media I want to create this post. For example, I want to create it for 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀. So based on that, it is going to have certain characters, certain characteristics based on the social platform that you select on the post. And then you can also select a voice, tone or brand voice. You can select the language as well as add your link. And then I'm going to generate content from this blog. So as you can see, we have got the post from here. And we can even optimize this post by using the AI. And we have also got two different images from the blog post. So it has scrapped those images, the images that are on the blog post. But if you do not want to use that, you can simply remove them if you want. And then you can draft it or schedule it for later or also publish it now. And make sure you select the profile from this right side. So if I want to post on 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀, I have to select this. And then now I can draft or schedule or publish this post now. But you can also use other templates such as post for a holiday, first comment on a post. So you can even create a first comment for a social media post. You can simplify text, you can generate image caption, you can create announcement post, blog to social media post, generate trending hashtags. So there are multiple AI tools that you can use on this 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀 AI. And then after this 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀, we have this compose that I already showed you. So this compose is where you can compose or create your post. And then there is also this report section. So this report section is basically a basic analytics. You can see the total followers you have on your social account, total posts that you have made, as well as total following. So if you have multiple social platforms connected, for example, 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀, Facebook, Instagram, all of the accounts are going to appear and you can see all of their analytics, basic analytics such as the followers, post as well as following. And then we have this content repurpose section. So using this feature, you can automatically share your content across multiple social media platforms. And for that, you have to connect your Instagram and TikTok. I think as of now, you can only use the cross-platform feature on Instagram and TikTok. So you have to connect these two accounts in order to share videos and reels across both of these platforms at once. And then there are also some features such as tweet to image. So you can convert your tweet into an image on here. All you have to do is provide the URL. And then there is also this post wave. You can repurpose one single article to multiple posts for multiple platforms. So all you have to do is just provide the article link. For example, just now I have provided an article about how can dogs and cats get along. So if you provide an article link just like that on here, it could be any article. And then you have to select all of your social media platforms that you want to post. For example, if you want to post to Twitter, Instagram and 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀, all of them at once, you have to select all of them on this particular section. And then you have to select how many posts you want. You have to specify the number and then you can add some custom hashtags as well as CTA if you want. And then you can repurpose that article into multiple posts. So after this repurpose or cross-platform sharing, there is also this automation section. So here you can see multiple features such as the bulk upload. So you can upload a lot of posts in bulk using a CSV file, but that feature is only available on the tier 2 and tier 3 on Appsumo. That is not available on tier 1. So keep that in mind. You can also add RSS feed and you can see all of your RSS feeds on here. You can even connect your Shopify store, WordPress blog, Bitly account and WooCommerce account. So once you connect these stores such as Shopify or WordPress, then all the products that you have added to Shopify, they're going to appear on RobinReach, and what you can do is turn those products into engaging social media posts for your social media. You can share them directly from RobinReach, and once you connect your WordPress blog, you can share the blog post across social media. For example, if you have posted a new blog on WordPress, it is also going to be shared as an update on your social media. And if you connect your Bitly, you can automatically shorten the URLs longer than 60 characters in your post. And also WooCommerce connection or integration is upcoming. It is going to come soon. And after this automation, we have the library, the media library or the storage where you can store various files. So as you can see, there is one folder on here. We can also create another folder and then click on create folder after providing the name. So now as you can see, we are currently in this folder 2. So now we can upload various media on here. Let me upload one. So as you can see, here's the image that I have uploaded. Now click on upload files. So as you can see, this particular image has been uploaded. Now what can I do with this image exactly? So on my social profiles, when I create a post, I can directly add this media, directly add this image to my post. Once I have added the caption, I can directly add this media from this library. So this is how I can store various medias or various images on here, and I can also use them later on my social platforms. And then there is this media kit. So here there are multiple options. I can create various stunning visuals with the AI powered tools of RobinReach. So there are multiple options on here. First of all, we have this Robin Fit. So you can resize or optimize your images for social media. For example, if you have an image that is very big in size, you can also resize that. You can also optimize the image. So if I open this, so this is how it is going to work. You can upload your image, you can select a channel, which means you can select which channel it is for. It could be for Facebook, Instagram or something else. And then you can also submit for processing. So what it does is start the fitting process, which means it is going to properly fit on the social media that you select. So certain parts of the image are not going to cut due to the resolution or something else. So this is how you can optimize your images for certain social platforms. So after Robin Fit, we also have this Robin Pixel. So with Robin Pixel, you can generate AI images just by describing what you want. And for that, first of all, you have to select the image size from on top. It could be landscape, square or portrait. I want to select landscape, and then you can select the art style. It could be realistic, cartoonish, abstract, futuristic or even vintage. I'm just going to keep it realistic. Now let me provide a prompt on here. So this is going to be my prompt, a very basic prompt. Let me test this AI powered image generation tool. Click on generate and let's see what we get. So as you can see, we have got the image. So since this was a very basic prompt, you can obviously tweak your prompt, make it more detailed in order to get better images from Robin Pixel. And once you have your image, you can download it or also save it to a folder on the library. And then after this media kit, and also keep in mind there is also another feature that is upcoming. So Robin Clip, it is going to help you create and edit stunning videos. So this has to be one of the best features that are going to be coming soon. And then you can add various profiles that I already showed you. You can add all the social platforms on RobinReach, and on the bottom left, if you click on this, you can once again open the media kit, and if you click on here, you're going to see all of the Robin Gen AI, all the AI tools. And if you click on the settings, you can add various details about your brand. You can set a profile picture. Let me show you. So as you can see, you can add a logo, you can add your name, company name, email, you can add all these details. And you can also see the limits for your account on here, and you can even delete this company if you want. And for example, if you want to add your team members, you have to click on here and then you have to go to this manage team. So now you can start adding your team members from here. So overall, I think RobinReach AI is an excellent tool that lets you create, schedule and manage your social media content with AI. It has multiple platforms, multiple integrations such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, even Twitter, Blue Sky, Threads, and also some are upcoming such as Telegram, Instagram personal profile as well as Google Business. So almost all the top platforms are here as integrations, and you can use the AI in order to create great captions or even generate images. You can also upload your own custom image, or you can also write your own caption. There are also multiple AI tools such as generating your post from notes or link or generating various hashtags. So overall, I think this is a complete social media scheduler that you can buy right now. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And keep in mind, the price is going to increase after 4 days. So if you want to buy, you have to hurry. And here are all the tiers and features on Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.